uncomfortable and make me walk uneven grounds. Make me turn towards the thunder, not run from its roaring sound. Oh Lord, make me unbreakable. Make me kind when all I feel is pain. Stand beside me when I face the angry crowd. Lift me when I have fallen down. Help me forgive those who are against me. Show kindness to my killer without the need for a gun. Take the hands that will strike me down and hold them like my very sons. Oh Lord, make me invincible as you'll return from the heavens above. Give me strength not to fail the ones I love. Oh Lord, make me invincible.